It's a Saturday and I'm sober. Oh yes. We're in Bodmin. This is already floundering, isn't it? I might have to do another take on this one. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Today we're going to be tearing an engine out of this b-suffix parts car. Oh yes. If you want to buy me a pint or support the channel, there's a linky thing down here. Right down there somewhere. If you want to contact me, churchhouseclassics, it's all one word, @gmail.com. Yeah, and subscribe because it helps me and it helps the channel. So, what the heck are we doing today? Right, so this is the b-suffix parts car. It is it's a mid-range 6561B. There you go. This is Dave.
Morning.
He's in the Range Rover register. He's the regional rep for Devon and Cornwall.
I am indeed.
Yeah, it's
claim to fame to have.
Isn't it just? Yeah, I'm paid. Yeah, he acquired this parts car, and it really is a parts car. We're not joking when we say this is a parts car. I mean, I know all these usual bits around here and abouts and so forth. All this is replaceable, but, you know, chunks like up there on the bulkhead. Yeah. It's been parked in a field for far too long. Did I just say farts? I did. For now. This car honestly makes the stuff that I've got in the polytunnel look really, really very, very good. But it's all there. It's all there. We really want the engine and the gearbox out of it, which is what we're doing today. So I'm going to set you up and time-lapse this, because otherwise I'm going to yap to the camera too much. Done it. It's in. He's happy. 4 o'clock. Time to head home for a gin. Well, head home. Head to my dad's home for a gin. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.